Okay, so today we are opening Lanky Box Mystery Box. That's what we're opening, I think, today. So let's go ahead and open that right up. First off, get out of here, corner. Yep. Let's get out. Okay. Get off, you lanky box thing. Cardboard. Get off, get off, get off. You guys are grabbing tape. Get out of here. Plastic. Way to go, Mom. Okay, so what is why is it so hard? Whoa. Big surprise again. Like the other day, we had big surprise. Right, Mom? With the FDTV one? What is this? Stickers or tattoos? Is this ghosty? This gotta be ghosty, right?
You need the scissors?
Yes. Guys, always be careful with the scissors.
That's right.
Actually, there is already an opening.
Oh, okay. Oh, go ahead. You don't need it then.
That was easy. I got Ghosty!
Yeah.
She's even glow in the dark, I think.
Is it?
Yeah.
That's cute.
That's what they said on the
Show the
video.
camera.
Look, it's so cute, Ghosty. I already got Foxy and Boxy, so this is one added to my collection.
Cute.
Cute. She's gonna stay.
You can hand me the trash, baby.
Good.
I'll take it. There you go. All right, next.
Another opening to it. Oh my goodness. Another chance. Is this what I think it is? Candy! I'm gonna get her out of the plastic. Is it a he or she? I think it's a she or he. Is it a she or a he?
I don't know.
Guys, comment down below. Is it a she or a he? We are getting off the plastic. Off Kitty. She needs to be free. Kitty. Why is it so hard? Why? Why did they make it so hard? Oh.
You want me to open it while you work on?
Door, I can open candy.
You got it?
I think this is supposed to be a prank.
Is it a prank can?
I think it's a prank can.
Something jumps out?
I think something pops out. I think they said that. Mom, you can move that back. Okay, take us. Take it off.
I'll get it.
Okay. First off, we gotta find out.
Wait, how come you didn't open the can?
Oh, is it Sticky? Sticky's gonna pop out. I know she is. Is it a she or a he? Again, comment down below.
Maybe that tooth will come out.
I'll do this.
No, don't do that. Let me see it.
Open it up. I want you
Don't
to
talk
feel
to me like that, girl. I'll beat your butt. Spank
what's
your
inside
butt.
of here. Okay, open it. Because you can do it.
I can't do it.
Yes,
Have
you
Jaden
can
come
do
open it. Just open the next thing.
You're the next
Jaden, can you
surprise.
open this for us? I only have one hand. I'm holding the camera.
I got rare.
Ooh, cute. Ooh, I like the
Rocky.
He's got a
Look.
crown.
Royal Rocky. Oh my goodness. Got Royal Rocky.
Okay. Next.
What is inside you? Mystery name? Whatever you are. It's a boxy puppet.
Cute.
Oh, isn't it so cute? I can add this to my collection too.
Yeah.
I have another collection of
Hold it up so we
puppets.
can see.
Boxer. It's a little puppet. I like it.
Cute.
And it has Boxy's face. Boxy's.
That one's open. Okay.
Okay, first off, we gotta see what's inside of here.
Maybe it's a sticker or something. It's flat.
Is it a tattoo? Is it a tattoo? Oh, it's Rocky because I got Royal Rocky.
There's a tattoo. Can I see?
Hold on. Oh, sorry, Ghost.
Can we see?
Royal Rocky on top of Boxy.
It's a sticker.
It's a sticker.
Okay.
If one,
Next.
No, let's put these two together
Okay.
because they're both Rocky. Oh, it's Adam Boxy.
Cute.
You can add this.
I don't know if that's all gonna stay there.
How did this happen?
You. Look, the kitten's getting into it.
Kitten. Oh my goodness. What are you? Hold up. It's in white plastic. Is this Justin or Adam again? Oh, there's tape. Oh, that's my piss. Oh my God, tape. Oh. Yeah, get off. Get out of here. I don't want you. Get out. Oh, it's a squishy. Ah.
Cute.
We can have this with Boxy Adam. And that's it for today. Bye, guys.
Which one's your favorite?
See you. This one is my favorite because it's rare. And I didn't think I would get rare on my first try. Okay? Bye, guys. This one, these two are my favorites. And we can have this with the boxes. Oh my goodness. We're going to have to see if Candy has a sticky inside because I think that's plushy candy that I saw in there. Guys, we're going to find out. We're all going to find out because we are the Lanky Box.